Howdy. My name is James Pierce, and just wanted to talk to y'all about my Monarch service project. My team, we went to Lick Creek Park, which is in College Station, and we got the chance to, go on several trails and really just observe and, educate ourselves on some potential pollinators. In this study, we weren't able to collect any specimens, so we were able to take pictures and just research a little bit on some of the um, flowers and hosts that we found. So this was through Yapoon Loop, Deer Run, and Iron Bridge Trail. And through this, we were able to observe quite a bit of plants that really related to our study of what we found as monarch host plants. First, looking at the Pentus lens. Pardon me on trying to pronounce this. Pentus lensolota. We found information. It's commonly known as an Egyptian star cluster. These plants are widely used as garden flowering plants and commonly found in butterfly gardens. The gorgeous flowers produce nectar that butterflies and hummingbirds cannot seem to resist. Looking at the Solidago attissima, it's often known as the tall goldenrod wildflower. This plant is perennial. It's particularly attractive to butterflies and some types of birds, and therefore it can be considered as a pollinator. The Amanthus spinosus is most commonly known as a pigweed. It's usually found in tropical regions, so going into Lick Creek Park, as it was introduced to us, we found information that in Asia it is commonly incorporated in the food dishes. These plants do shed pollen, though. Looking at the Empampus aggregata, this plant is pegged with several nicknames such as scarlet trumpet or skyrocket. They are great pollination plants, and for long-tongued species such as butterflies and hummingbirds, this is because the flowers are long, approximately 1 inch, and their stems can tower over 5 feet. Looking at the dwarf Dutiza, this is a flowering plant shrub. It is used as a ground cover most of the time and blooms in the spring. It is native to Asia and can grow up to 6 feet tall. Butterflies are pollinators and are attracted to the flowers which this plant produces. Caryopsis calypsidia is more popularly known as the leaf stem tick seed. This beautiful yellow plant is a perfect addition to this beautiful garden, and as it was on the trail, and we found that it's tolerant to deer and drought. Its vibrant color invites insects like butterflies and bees, which obviously makes that a host plant for pollen and nectar. The Symphyotrichum lanceolatum is primarily referred to as a panicle aster. This plant is used as a weed. However, it attracts insects like butterflies and bees because it is an excellent source of nectar. The lantana plants are commonly found in gardens because of their vibrant colors and low maintenance. However, these are great pollination plants. Butterflies will come and suck the sweet nectar from the tiny clusters. Just going through. This is the one that I was personally introduced to and got to do a little study on, the Calicarpa americana, which is often known as the American beauty berry. This wildflower are often very important for birds, but do provide much use as a wildlife food plant. It usually attracts birds and butterflies and is considered a reliable nectar source. Overall, our project, getting to go over to Lick Creek Park, was a great study for us and a perfect opportunity to cap off this entomology class. So thank you so much for listening.